Hi, I'm Ashley, and recently we got the MR23 code on our 82-volt zero-turn mower. So basically, the right motor is overheating. At first, we cleaned around the deck and the motor, and it worked for a little bit, but now it won't start. So we contacted Greenworks, and this is actually a known software issue on the blade controllers. So they sent us some new pair, and we're going to replace them and install them for you in this video. Before we do any work on the mower, we want to make sure that we remove all the batteries. Here's a comparison of the old controller and the new one. As you can see, they're exactly the same. This is a software issue. You're going to need a T25 and a T30 screwdriver and a Phillips head. Here we're going to start with removing the bucket, of course. Remove the first 8 bolts. In this video, we're only going to be focusing on the left controller. However, it's the same thing for both the left and the right controller. Now in this video, we remove the mounting bolts first. However, we do suggest doing it after you remove the wires. Now we're going to remove the 2 Phillips head screws, securing the dust cover to the blade controller. Under the cover, you're going to see the terminals for the 5 wires. You have the power wire, 3 phase wires, and a ground wire. We're going to remove the screws and remove the wires. Don't worry about the order, as the controller is color-coded. Our last step is to remove the multi-pin connector. Just apply pressure on each of the tabs on the side and remove from the blade controller. Now that we have removed the controller, we're going to start the installation process. Here we're going to provide a quick lapse of the installation process since it's basically all the steps backwards. And there you have it. Thanks for watching.